Full of nutrition and flavor, this Satpadi Roti adds a unique twist to our normal rotis. So let's see the recipe. Satpadi means 7 layers or 7 par of the roti. And I'm going to be using multigrain flour for this. Of course, you can only use wheat flour as well. So I have about 2 cups of multigrain flour here. Into this, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon oil, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix all these ingredients properly. Add in water and prepare a soft dough. Knead the dough nicely. A nice soft dough is ready. Apply a little bit of water over it and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Next, I'm going to mix a few spice powders to make a masala for the Satpadi paratha. So I have here half a teaspoon of coriander and cumin seed powder, just a pinch of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 1 teaspoon of saunf or fennel seed powder, 1/4 teaspoon amchur powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Give all these spices a good mix. Once again, knead the dough slightly. Take a nice big ball of the dough. Take some dry flour to roll the roti. Make a nice big size roti and now spread a little bit of oil or ghee. Generously sprinkle the masala mix. Also sprinkle some dry flour. Since this is a Satpadi roti, you will have to make a minimum of 7 pleats or more. Brush a little bit of oil over the pleats. Just flip it sideways and roll and fold. Press it. Apply some more dry flour and you have to roll on the side where you seal the edge. So flip it over and start rolling this. This roti is rolled and ready. Let's cook it on both the sides on a hot pan. Flip it. Cook it on the other side as well. And now, instead of cooking the entire paratha on the pan, I like to cook it a little bit on the flame as well. Generously apply ghee or butter as per your liking. The perfect combination with this Satpadi roti is to have it with gatte ki sabzi. The link is in the description box below. Do give this recipe a try and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.